Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm gonna walk you through my journal. I mix the journal and the graphic 45 paper that I love it. So I hope you like it, the front and the back. And I put this little thing here. So let's see. We have the cover and we have a tag. And so I mix some of the graphic 45 with the usual journal stuff. So this is a washi tape from the washi tape store. This is a label. We have 3 stamps. And I make this flip around page. This one was inspired by Melania from Scrapbooking with Me, and it has a tag here. Oops. And the flip has 2 tags here, a tag here, 2 here, and here to put a picture of something. This one is a paper clip, cluster paper clip, and it's a hidden paper clip. Let's see if I can put it back. And I will put a link for this paper because the lady that make this paper does a very wonderful job. So we have belly band, a little booklet. We have a tuck here and one here. Some of the washi tape stickers. This is a dolly, and so I put half of the paper here. This is another one from the washi tape store. This one too. So I combine a little bit of the vintage stuff with my graphic 45, another belly band, and another little booklet that has the tuck in the back, on top, and on the bottom. This is the other side of the doily, and more paper here. This is a wraparound pocket. So it has pocket here, and if you go here, there is another pocket here, and has 3 tags, 1, 2, and 3. And here I put this little butterfly that I thought it was cute. We have another pocket here with a tag. This one is another vintage. We have this pocket that mix the music page with the 45. Has a huge tag over there. This is another paper clip. You can see the clip here. I have a video for this. Here is another pocket, and I put some ticket. And we have a little journaling part here. This one is inspired by treasure book. I don't remember her name, but I will put the link on the video. So oops, and this one goes inside. This is the back, just to get a hold of the lace, or I don't know what is this. So you don't see the seam too much. And this is it. I hope you like it, and if you like it, Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to subscribe, and leave a comment. I would like to know what you think, what my work is. If you think that I have to improve something, that would be highly appreciated. Okay, so I hope you like it. This is the front and this is the back of my mixed journal. Bye. See you soon.